Hey everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. My name is Jerko Ivan Desilio and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like this type of content and if you're new to this channel, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll never miss any of my videos. I post cooking videos every Saturday. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make homemade pandesal. Enough talking, let's make this, shall we? To make our pandesal is super easy. As always, all the recipes are in the description box down below. In a bowl, add 1 1/4 cups of warm milk, following with 1 pack or 10 grams of instant yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Give it a quick mix and let it bloom for 5 minutes to see that if your yeast is active or not. While the yeast is blooming, in a mixing bowl, add 4 cups of flour, half a cup of granulated sugar, a pinch of salt, and finally add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Give it a quick whisk to incorporate everything. Once the yeast is active and bubbly, add 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter, melted of course, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 egg, and finally add your bloomed yeast mixture. Mix it until it starts to come together. Once your dough is starting to come together, drop it into your working space and start kneading the dough. And by the way, don't flour your dough while kneading because the dough will get tougher and you do not want that. Continue kneading it until your dough is nice and elastic. As you can see, I tear a piece of the dough and stretching it wider and wider without tearing. That means you can stop kneading the dough. But if it's still tearing apart, just continue kneading the dough. After you knead the dough, shape it into a nice taut ball and let it rise for 2 hours or until doubled in size. 2 hours later, your dough should look like this. Flour your work surface and divide them into 4 pieces. After that, grab your divided dough and degas the dough, then roll and tuck the dough, and finally roll and stretch it. Last but not least, divide them. This should be the perfect size for your pandesal. And by the way, I said the dough 4 times. Once you divided them into rolls, we can coat them in breadcrumbs. First, we're going to brush it with oil and then coat them in breadcrumbs, and it should look like this. After you coat them in breadcrumbs, lay them on the baking tray with parchment paper and cover them with a damp towel and let it rest or let it proof for 1 hour. 1 hour later, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, bake the pandesals for 17 minutes or until they're golden brown. 17 minutes later, your pandesal is ready. It's best when it's served hot. No one likes chilled bread rolls, am I right? This is by far the best pandesals you'll ever make. Well, there you go, my friends. That's how you make homemade pandesal. If it's helpful, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you'll never miss any of my videos. I post cooking videos every Saturday. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye!